Library, and today we're going to make a delicious summer dessert. It's a berry trifle. So the ingredients are berries, of course. We have blueberries and strawberries. If you have raspberries or any other fruit you want to add in, that's fine. Angel food cake, lemon yogurt, and some whipped topping. So you can make this in one big bowl if you want and scoop out portions for everybody, but today we're doing it in individual little cups. So let's get started. The first thing you do is take your angel food cake and cut into bite-sized pieces. It didn't come out of the pan too easy, but that's fine. We're just gonna chop it up anyway. Now you can cut it up with a knife, or if you just wanna pull off chunks with your hands, that works too. If the store doesn't have angel food cake, or if you don't prefer that, you can use pound cake or lady fingers, whatever other, you can make your own cake if you like, if you have the time for that, but I like a pre-made angel food cake. Then you cut up your berries. Since I'm using strawberries that are pretty big, I'm cutting them up kind of small to be about the same size as my blueberries. Then and obviously we wash all our berries really good first. Don't have to cut up the blueberries, thank goodness. So now we take our little cup, you put cake in the bottom, then your vanilla yogurt, drizzle that in. Not too much, you don't need to make a big solid layer of it. And your Cool Whip. Then some strawberries, some blueberries. Then we just do it over again. A little more cake, a little more yogurt, a little more Cool Whip, and then finish with some more berries. And that is it. It couldn't be simpler. Like I said, if you want to use any different fruit, if you wanted to do maybe strawberry banana, that would be delicious. If you wanted to use a different flavor of yogurt or put in pudding instead, you can do that too. You get really creative with it, make it exactly how you prefer, and this will be a big hit at any parties you go to this.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.